If Adobe Photoshop shows "could not save, open because of a disk error," don't worry. This usually happens because of insufficient disk space, permission issues, or corrupted scratch disks. Let's fix it step by step. First, check available disk space. Make sure the drive you're saving to or using as a scratch disk has enough free space, at least a few gigabytes. Next, check scratch disk settings. Open Photoshop, Edit, Preferences, Scratch Disks, Windows, or Photoshop, Preferences, Scratch Disks, Mac. Make sure a drive with enough free space is selected and not full. Now, run Photoshop as administrator. Right-click the Photoshop shortcut and choose Run as administrator. This resolves permission issues preventing saving. After that, check file permissions. Ensure the folder you're saving to isn't set to read-only and that your user account has write permissions. Also, clear temporary files and cache. Delete Photoshop temp files from your system's temp folder. Windows, %temp%, Mac, /private/var/tmp/. If the problem continues, reset Photoshop preferences. Hold Ctrl + Alt + Shift, Windows, or Command + Option + Shift, Mac, while launching Photoshop and confirm the reset. Finally, update Photoshop and your OS. Outdated software can cause disk errors during file operations. In most cases, freeing disk space and checking scratch disk settings resolves the error quickly.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.